منتقل کرنے سے پہلے وقت پر غور کریں۔
Considering the time before moving. Considering the time before moving.
وہ رات میں چیخ اٹھی۔
She yelled into the night. She yelled into the night.
وہ حیران تھی کہ یہ ٹوٹ گیا۔
She was surprised it broke. She was surprised it broke.
زمین پر بچھایا۔
Laid on the ground. Laid on the ground.
واپس جہاں سے ہم نے شروع کیا۔
Back to where we started. Back to where we started.
میں نے رات کو ختم کر دیا۔
I called it a night. I called it a night.
اس کے کان میں گانا گونجا۔
The song rang in her ear. The song rang in her ear.
یہاں سے ہٹانے کا نقطہ نہیں ہے۔
Affixed to the point of no removal. Affixed to the point of no removal.
وہ لات مارنے سے باز آ گئی۔
She stopped short of being kicked. She stopped short of being kicked.
رات میں خاموشی سے چلایا۔
Shouted silently into the night. Shouted silently into the night.